Wow!
Ba't tayo magkalaban? Dapat laging nile-level sa face. Nakakainis.
Ay, alright. Pasensya na, sis. Oh.
Madali lang to, huwag kayong mag-alala. First question, top 4 answers na hinahanap natin, Vice Ann. And here's your question, anong song ang karaniwang kinakanta sa birthday party? Ann?
Happy birthday.
Hindi nga! Galing! Alam mo, feeling ko hindi eh. Tingnan natin. Nandyan ba ang happy birthday? Happy birthday to you.
Birthday episode ko na to.
To you.
Oh, thank you! Wow, nakakatuwa naman. Thank you very much.
Happy birthday.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, nakakatuwa!